All right, guys, come on and join me and my friend Mr. Hank as we go down into Camp Holler and work on the Baggett Cabin, one of the dormitory cabins. As we put on metal siding and some trim around the screened openings. Let's go. So this is what me and Mr. Hank got done today. Got some metal siding, nice patinaed metal siding that'll go great with the rusticness of the camp. What we did here was we had to make our own flashing. We took the hand brake benders and made these drip edges that fall over here. It's kind of like a Z. Actually, like a Z comes down behind this, a Z brake instead of a J mold. This here, the metal runs behind your sideboards. And then up here at the top, we have the same kind of Z brake design. And then we have a rubber roofing material over another board. And we'll have hinges under there and a plywood shutter door over these, which will end up being screened openings for ventilation for the open air cabin. I'll show you what a larger one that's complete without minus the screen looks like. Of course, these are bought pieces of metal here, but we didn't break them ourselves. But this is what it'll be hinged. And when they go up, the rubber seals to the plywood will be painted and everything. And have a cable system. Cables go up and pulley over and come down to a hand crank system that'll be over here, so you can just walk up here and crank it and open these shutters, and they'll shed rain and let air into the cabin. That's pretty well it. We got some more screws to put in, some wood trim on the corners, and the door we just left raw until we build the casing to go around the door, or either we buy a door set to go in there. So that's what we got. That and the next day work will be right here on the wooden scaffold. We'll cover this wall. This is all recycled boards. Looks like it's black and moldy or something, but it's not. It's where black rubber roofing was glued to it. That and tar paper stuck to it, and it discolored it. But it's all recycled, reused, upcycled. It's gonna be an awesome thing. Only 30 new 16-foot 2x4s have been used so far, and some new fasteners. All right, thank you guys. All right, guys, another day's come to an end. Thank you for watching.
Please like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.
As always, God gets the glory for the good in our lives, and Jesus Christ is the Lord and Savior. God bless.